The lyrebird is found in various habitats throughout southeastern Australia, including rainforests and eucalyptus forests. The lyrebird is capable of imitating a wide range of sounds, from other birds to human-made noises.
And again.
In addition to their impressive vocal abilities, male lyrebirds are also known for their elaborate courtship displays. The lyrebird is currently listed as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Lyrebirds have been known to live up to 30 years in the wild. Lyrebirds have been observed to mimic over 20 different species of birds in their environment. Lyrebirds are ground-dwelling birds that feed on insects, small animals, and fruits.